4-column verbs. We will take a look at the first group of verbs, 4-column verbs. Verbs, those have their conjugation among 4 columns. A column, E column, U column, A column. This is the most basic conjugation in a verb, and about half of all verbs are following this structure. In today's Japanese, most words in this group remain exactly the same. Their change of endings and the grammatical description are the same as well. The only development is that there is the 5th form joined into the ending. That the name for this group in modern Japanese changed into 5-column verbs, 五段動詞. Let us see a few verbs as examples for better understanding. Kaku, to write. The stem is ka, and it has the ending ka, ki, ku, ke. Each works with a group of different helper verbs. Zi, ba, nu, mu, and the verbs in perfective, mizen form. Te, tali, keli, nu, in continuative, lenyo form. To modify a noun in attributive, lentai form, with the ba, domo, in perfective, izen form. Here, in each form, I list only a few helper verbs as examples. Similarly, here's 探す, 探さず, 探して, 探すこと, 探せば. 勝つ, 勝たず, 勝ちて, 勝つこと, 勝てば. 笑う, 笑わず, 笑いで, 笑うこと, 笑えば. 惜しむ, 惜しまず, 惜しみで, 惜しむこと, 惜しめば. 切る, 切らず, 切りで, 切ること, 切れば. In the above, I have listed a few verbs, each from a different role. Needless to say, there are a large number of verbs in each role. They have a different stem but follow the same rule for its ending, such as in ha role, you may have omou, kayowu, yobu, musubu, etc. Further, there's no simple way to easily tell which group a verb belongs to. One has to understand the rule and apply it to a verb in a given context, and to make a right judgment accordingly. Certainly, one can always rely on a dictionary, check the words, find out its right meaning and its conjugation. Here are 6 drills for 4-column verbs. Each deals with a different form. Make sure to complete them. See you at the next lecture.